Legend of Mount Tampomas, Sumedang, West Java, Indonesia. Their love was tainted by conflict. Raden Tampomas willingly abandoned the luxuries of his palace to be with Dewi Kanti. Yet, his kingdom refused to accept a marriage outside the caste. Their love was tainted by conflict. Raden Tampomas willingly abandoned the luxuries of his palace to be with Dewi Kanti. Yet, his kingdom refused to accept a marriage outside the caste. Witnessing the unending conflict, the gods took pity. They transformed Raden Tampomas and Dewi Kanti into a magnificent mountain situated at the heart of Sumedang. Until today, Mount Tampomas stands as a silent witness to the eternal love story. Its beauty attracts visitors to contemplate and understand the true meaning of loyalty and sacrifice. The people of Sumedang believe that if you visit Mount Tampomas with a sincere heart, you can feel the presence of the spirits of Raden Tampomas and Dewi Kanti, who always guard the peace of this region.